Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find hidden photos on iOS 18. Alright, first we go to our photos gallery or photo album, click on that app, and just right here if I click on this photo, we want to hide this photo first. So tap on the three dots just right there, right in the top, click on hide and click on hide photo. Alright, from now, what we're gonna do is we are here now in library and then we scroll down where we find hidden. So then tap on hidden, click on view album, now with Face ID, and right now we just found our photo in the hidden library. Now we click on this photo and if you tap on the three dots just right there and click on unhide, the photo is back in our gallery and we just found the hidden photo in our photo application. Alright, this is how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.